You know the value of benchmarking to energize or re-energize your staff with the excitement, the ideas, the energy, and the inspiration to think lean. One trip to a facility that's embraced the lean journey can get you and your employees thinking and doing things in a lean way almost overnight. That's because great ideas and engagement breed more great ideas and engagement. But what if you could take all the inspiration and imagination and excitement from a full day with another team of managers and employees and condense it into one 35-minute video? That's what GBMP's new video, The Relentless Pursuit of Excellence in the Vibration Nation, is all about. The Vibration Nation is a lean movement that started at Vibco, a company that makes industrial vibrators. In just a short time, Vibco reduced their inventory by over $2 million. They achieved 97.7% same-day, next-day delivery on all customer orders, and they grew their customer base by 35%. In this economy, that's impressive, but what's more impressive is the way they did it. You'll see a president who's passionate about lean and who believes in going to see what's happening out on the floor and on sharing his passion with his employees.
You know, getting out from behind your desk and reading reports is probably one of the most valuable things that you can do, because the factory, your sales team, your accounting department, it's all run by people, and the reports are an end result from the people. So if you can get out firsthand and see what's going on, engage with the people, look them in the eyes, talk to them, bring your report with you maybe, and talk to them about the report, and you'll find out that maybe a lot of people don't even know what the metrics are on that report, and you'll start seeing what really is happening in your factory.
You'll see how the employees share his vision for the business and how they work tirelessly every day to bring that vision into reality.
We could either, just be complacent and say, well, that's just how things are, and we'll just go with the flow, or we put our foot down and say, no, we're not gonna deal with the way things are. We're gonna do something about it.
Always ask yourself why, because even when you think you've improved a process, you can improve it again.
You'll see how they moved away from the traditional idea of each employee working in a specific area and toward a business model where every employee in the business is cross-trained and understands the flow of product through the facility. So each person in the company sees the big picture and knows just how their job fits in.
I started in assembly and then I came back to the machine shop. When I came back, I singularly could see, oh, this is the part I always had a problem with. And then I found that, oh, it was just changing one number on the program, so the part was made slightly different. And now the assembly people can put it together like a Lego kit. It just falls together. So I think it's important for every aspect of the company to know what the other parts do.
You'll also see how they reduce their setup times, making it easier for them to do smaller lots, which in turn lets them build only to customer demand and not just to stock their shelves.
Now that they've reduced their times to like 8 minutes, they'll do anything for us. If we tell them we need 10 pieces, they'll set it up and run the pieces for us. So instead of taking such a long time to run the long batches of parts that we didn't need, we get the parts out to the floor a lot quicker, and thus our customers get their products same day, next day.
Finally, you'll see dozens of great employee ideas that add up to a constant flow of improvement in the direction of the company's overall goals.
I would go into Carl's office with checks, and I would keep going back, and I would be wasting my time, wasting his time, interrupting him. So instead, I have a folder that's blue on the outside. That means there's checks in there that need to be signed, and when he's done with it, he folds it, and the other side is yellow. So I know, okay, those are all set, I can go take them now.
The whole machine is designed to be used with the right hand, which makes your left hand basically useless for half the things we do. So I found a glove for the left hand with a magnet on it, which helps us use the left hand for a little bit more functionality.
This guy's out of Iowa. Potawatomi is the name of the counties, and he sent me these pictures of his dump truck here. And he has this tailgate spreader, and he was having problems with it jamming up. So I marked this up digitally, right? So you can see I put a piece of channel iron here, plate. So now it's virtual. So now we can span the universe if we want. We can help aliens like shake their spaceships if that needs to happen.
So why not energize your workforce? Why not see lean through the eyes of a passionate president and an engaged group of employees and managers who'll explain their take on lean in their own words and why it works for them? Show the relentless pursuit of excellence in the Vibration Nation to your employees, to your managers, to your president today, and get them thinking in the GBMP everybody, everyday way.